Inga Milton Ochieng. Riwruok mar United Nations pachoka olando chenro mosebedo kotimo kod piny owacho ma pachoka koting'o kony mane gichwalo ne jo Kenya 452 e kinde koth El Nino. E romo mane gibedo godo kod jalup jatend piny, gimedo ni gisesiro jopur malo 200,000 mar jiwago chiemo. Kamano bende sekta mar thieth, United Nations Kenya nokonyo piny Kenya yudo omenda maromo $415 koa kuom Global Fund mar kedo kod tuo mar kahera, malaria kod jiwo chenro mamoko mag thieth. Jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua nopuoyo tudruok e kind piny owacho kod riwruogno mamedo kelo pogruok kod dongruok e pachoka.
For me as a person, because it was a great looking ahead.
The National Treasury and Economic Planning is committed to review and re-engineer its processes and procedures and policies to ensure that the national development planning is efficient, effective, and impactful, such that the resources as being directed are able to reach and improve those areas that are intended.
We've launched what we call a multi-partner trust fund for Kenya, and I really want to salute Canada, Norway, Sweden, Netherlands and Switzerland, all of whom have come into that fund. It's still capitalized at a fairly small level, sir. It's about $15 million thus far, but it's the principle. It's that we're putting the money together, which allows us to join together as UN more easily to help you in a more impactful way. And we really expect that fund to grow.
It becomes much easier to coordinate government and coordinate government reactions and responses and interventions. Again, we are very excited by the ongoing plans to enhance the UN presence in this country by enlarging the facilities at Gigiri so that UN can be very strong in the global south here in Nairobi.
Senator Manandi Samson Cherargei owacho ni apise mag